Chapter 6: Flora and Fauna. Plants and animals are the important part of environment. Both are living beings and depend upon each other. Man is also affected by them and has the potential of affecting them. Climate is the dominant factor of determining the type of plants and animals in any area. In deserts, the plant and animals are different as compared to that of hills and mountains. The plants and animals are also found in the water bodies. They have different adaptabilities as compared to those on the land. Let us compare the plants and animals of land and water. 1. Plants of land. Maximum variety of plants is found on land. It is because of the variety of climates on land. Some areas are hot and others are cold. Some areas are dry and others are moist. As the climate changes, the plants also change. Plant life also depends upon the soil characteristics. In dry areas, the cactus is the common plant. It is a thorny plant and is protected by nature so that the animals cannot destroy the vegetation of deserts where it is already limited. Deciduous trees are found in majority of areas on land. These trees shed their leaves once in a year. Then in the spring season, again the leaves grow. In India also, such trees are common to see. In cold areas, the snowfall is common. In such areas, the shape of trees become conical with the weight of the snow. The leaves of many such trees are needle-shaped. In some areas, the amount of rainfall is little. In such areas, grasslands are common form of vegetation. Activity. Name any plant that people grow in their houses. Some areas receive very heavy rainfall. Here the trees grow close to each other and take the form of forests. 2. Plants of water. Some plants grow in water also. These are called aquatic plants. Algae is the smallest form of plant in water. This plant has neither roots nor leaves. Therefore, many scientists do not consider them as plants, but many other features of algae resemble the plants. Water lily is another popular plant of water. It is mainly grown in the still water bodies like ponds or lakes. Seaweed also grows in water. They cover the water surface and does not allow sunlight to enter water and disturbs the life cycle in water. Kelps are plants of sea or ocean. Do you know, carbohydrates of kelp plant are used in the making of ice cream, jelly, toothpaste and many other things. 3. Animals of land. A variety of animals are found on land. The type of animals vary with the type of vegetation and climate. In forests, many wild animals live. The important wild animals are lion, tiger, snake, elephant, etc. They are equally important part of the environment because they play a vital role in the food chain. Many species of wild animals are being protected because their number is decreasing. In grasslands also, many animals live. Giraffe, zebra, lion, etc. are animals that live in tall grasses like savanna. In the mountains, the animals are adaptive to cold climate. Here, bear, wolf, llama, yak, reindeer are common animals. They are useful to man in many ways. In deserts, only limited animals are found. Camel is the major animal which is also called the sheep of the desert. It has padded feet and can easily walk in the sands of desert. It can also store water in its body. Therefore, it can walk without water for several days. Man also domesticates some animals for his use. Such animals are horse, cow, camel, sheep, dog, etc. These animals are called domestic animals. All these animals are very useful to man in many ways. Cattle are used mainly for the milk, sheep is reared for its wool, horse and camel are used for transportation and so on. Although birds fly in air, but they are also considered as land animal. After flying in air, they come down on land and take shelter in their nest. They feed on land. Activity. Tick mark the animal whose milk you use at home. 4. Animals in water. Water has a variety of animals. They are called aquatic animals. Scientists believe that the life on Earth started in water. The type of aquatic animals changes with the depth of water. All life in water depends upon the availability of sunlight. The sunlight cannot penetrate very deep inside water. Therefore, more animals are found in the shallow water where depth of water is minimum. In deeper waters, only those animals grow which can remain without sunlight for a long time. Fish is the popular animal of water. It has thousands of varieties. Fish of river and lakes is different from the fish of sea. The number of fish is also huge because at a time, a fish lays thousands of eggs. Dolphin is a type of fish. It is human-friendly and responds to the human actions. Whale is a big fish found in deep water of oceans. It is the biggest creature on earth. Starfish, seahorse, octopus are common animals of the sea. Turtles are amphibians, therefore they are found in large number in the coastal areas. Crocodile is also an amphibian which is found in the banks of river or lakes. A tiny animal called coral is found in the sea. It is not visible as single animal, but their deposition on the sea floor makes colorful structure. These structures are called coral reefs. In the ponds, frogs are the common animals. Variety of insects are also found in small water bodies. Water snakes are also found in some areas. Activity: name the sea animals that you have seen live. Things to remember. 1. Plants and animals are important part of the environment. 2. Maximum variety of plants is found on land because of different climates. 3. Cactus grows in desert and forests in wet areas. 4. Algae is the smallest form of plant in water. 5. Water lily grows in the still water bodies like ponds or lakes. 6. Animals play a vital role in the food chain. 7. Many animals are domesticated by man. 8. The type of aquatic animals changes with the depth of water. 9. Whale is the largest animal in water. Task 1.